Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Haute Bella experience. So, in today's video, I am going to be talking about the items that I received in my November Boxy Charm box. So I know that I'm a bit late with this particular video, but life has been happening as usual. So I'm just now getting around to showing you guys what came in this month's Boxy Charm box. So if you're not familiar with Boxy Charm, it is a monthly subscription box. It's $21 each month, and you get 4 to 5 items in each box, and the total cost of all of those items exceed over $100. So it is an awesome deal if you're looking to build up your makeup collection or to get a makeup collection started. I think that a Boxy Charm monthly subscription is an awesome way to do that because, as I said, you get 4 to 5 items in each box. The total cost of all 4 to 5 items will be over $100, and you're only paying $21 each month for that box. So I will leave a link below if you're interested in joining. You can use that link. Just click on that link and you'll be able to sign up. Or you can go to the Boxy Charm website. That's www.boxycharm.com, and you can sign up and you can start getting your own Boxy Charm box. I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed. The theme for this month's Boxy Charm box is Gold Digger. So this is the little insert that came inside of this month's box, and you guys, we got some good items in this month's box. I loved everything. I mean, really loved everything. And I will say there are a couple of items that I've been wanting to try out. One of the items specifically is one of the palettes from Ace Beauty. So I have been eyeballing the Ace Beauty palettes for quite some time. The one that I really had my eye on was the Quintessential palette, but it was always out of stock. Every time that I would check the Ace Beauty website, it was out of stock. So I was like, okay, I'll come back to it another time. But it just never seemed to be restocked, so it had kind of slipped to the back of my mind. But thanks to Boxy Charm, they were looking out for you, girl. And they have given me this palette in this month's box, and this is the Grandoise palette. And I was so super excited to try this palette out. This is a gorgeous palette. I love the fact that it's not a super large palette, even though I do love my super large palettes, but this is a small travel friendly palette. And look at the colors in this palette. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. They are very rich in pigment. They blend really well, and the colors are also buildable. So super glad to finally have an Ace Beauty palette in my collection. So really glad to get this month. They also gave us, oh, and I forgot to tell you, the retail cost of the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette is $24.99. So this one palette would cost you $24.99. So this palette alone exceeds the monthly subscription cost because you only pay $21 per month per box for the subscription. So with this one item alone, the box is already paid for itself. So super glad to have the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. I also got another item that I am so glad to have my hands on, and this is the Cover FX glitter drops. So I had purchased some of the minis of this product during the Sephora VIB sale, but I'm glad to have this full size that I can use for myself. I purchased it because it's one of those items I wanted to start to use in my kit, and this is in the color Nova. So this is a liquid highlighter. One of the things that I was concerned about is the fact that it does appear to have quite a bit of glitter in it. So as much as I like highlight on my face, I'm really not a big fan of it looking really glittery or having large chunks of glitter. So in the demonstration that you guys will see here in just a minute, I used the reverse technique for applying this product as my highlighter. So, but it's beautiful. Let me show you guys just real quickly. It's really pretty. It's a liquid, and it is gorgeous. It's a nice highlighter, but again, it has a lot of that glitter type flecks in it, especially once it dries down. So that was my concern, but I think I've worked it out. So I'm really glad to have this product, super glad to have it in my collection. And they also gave us some lashes from Lashaholic. These are luxury lashes. So this is my first time ever using lashes from Lashaholic, but I will say that I actually like these lashes. I am wearing them today. They're very natural looking. They're not really, really thick, and the band is relatively thin as well. So I'm really liking these lashes. Really like them a lot. I think they're very pretty. We also got from Jonteblu, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, but we got a Glittering Star eyeliner pencil. It's a black eyeliner pencil, but it looks like it has like little flecks of kind of a goldish silver type of glitter in it, but I'm also wearing that today. So super glad to have that. I think it turned out really, really pretty. We got these brushes in this month's Boxy Charm box. Let me take them out of the little bag here so you can see it. But these brushes are from Luxie. All right, and these are the brushes. And this is their Luminous eye set. This is a set of detail brushes from Luxie. And these are super cute. They have like little gold flecks in them, if you can see that. And they are so, so cute. And I did not use them today to create this look, but you better believe these are going to come in super, super handy, because when you're trying to get that detail eye work, it really does help to have a small size blending brush. This one looks to have a little bit of an angle on it. This one is more of a flat angle type of brush. So for packing the shadows onto the lid, this one would be really, really good. And then you've got this little bitty tiny brush here. You can see that. The smallest one here in the set, this one right here, this one would be perfect for smoking out that under eye area. So those are all the items that I got in this month's box, and I'm super excited to try them out. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into this demo. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera, and my face has been moisturized and primed, and I'm going to use one of the items from my previous month's Boxy Charm boxes, and it's from Luscious, and it's their Angel Eyes eyeshadow base. So I'll use that to prime my eyes, and then I'm moving right into the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the color Patchouli as my brow bone highlight. And I'm going to continue on, and I'm going to use the color Cinnamon as my transition shade, so I'll just take my time and build this up to my desired intensity. And now I'm using the color Poppy, and I'm going to use this as my crease shade, so I'm just tapping it in the outer V and just sweeping it across my crease. And I'm going back into Cinnamon once again just to blend everything together. I have carved out my lid, and I'm going to use the color Poppy just to soften up the outer portion of the area where I have carved out my lid or applied the concealer. I'm using the color Primrose on my lid. I also want to mention that I'm not wetting my brush for this look today, so I'm using all of the shadows out of the Ace Beauty palette on a dry brush. And now I'm using the color Myrtle, and I'm using this just to marry the Poppy color, which is the color I used on my outer V, and the Primrose color that I used on my lid, just to marry those two colors together. And I'm going back into Cinnamon once again, and I'm using a smaller blending brush, and I'm just adding a little bit more definition in my crease area. Everything is looking good. And now I'm going to be using the Glittering Star eyeliner from Jonteblu. This is a black pencil eyeliner, and it has some gold and silver type flecks in it, but I'll just apply this to my waterline. And I'm now using another item that came in a previous month's Boxy Charm box. It's from It Cosmetics, and it's the Superhero Mascara. And now I'm going to use the luxury lashes from Lashaholic. They're in the style Instaglam. And I'm using this 3D view type of mirror to apply these lashes. This is one of the gadgets that I talked about in one of my previous videos. So this is one of the handy dandy gadgets that I have, and it's from Good Jane's. And I'm going to be coming back to do a review on this particular gadget, so stay tuned for that. And now I'm going to be using the Cover FX Glitter Drops. It's in the color Nova. So this is a very shimmery, shiny, liquidy type of highlighter. And I'm going to use my smaller blending sponge here just to tap this product onto my face. I'm doing this in reverse. Normally your highlighter would be used after your foundation has applied, but since this does have a glittery base, which I really don't want, I'm going to place this product on my face first and then put my foundation on top of it, hoping that it will minimize some of the glitter chunks or make it look just a little less glittery on my skin, while still giving me that desired highlighted type of look on my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, forehead, and chin. That's really what I want from this product. It's looking pretty good. It's looking very good. I'm very satisfied with how this is looking at this point. So I have added the concealer under my eyes. I've also set my under eye area with setting powder and set my entire face. I've also lined my lips and also used some lip gloss for the lips, but now I'm smoking out my waterline, and I'm using the colors Poppy and Cinnamon to smoke out that waterline, and I'm also going to use the color Jasmine in my tear duct. And we are done. I really liked everything that came in this month's Boxy Charm box. The colors in the Ace Beauty Grandoise palette are beautiful. They're very pigmented and very blendable. I am so happy to finally have this palette in my collection. I'm really happy I was able to make the Cover FX glitter drops work for me. So I think that this look turned out really good. It's not too glittery, but just enough highlight to make it look like I've got that glow from within type of thing going on. The lashes from Lashaholic were beautiful, and the Glitter Star eyeliner pencil from Jonteblu is very nice as well. I hope you guys liked this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.